Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Solana. Since reaching an all-time high of $259.90 on November 6, Solana has been declining. It has been following a declining resistance line throughout the decline, which was most recently validated on March 2. Solana bulls may push price above $100 so far. The price has dropped to $75.35 on February 2. The subsequent bounce confirmed the $73 area as support. This is a horizontal support area as well as the 0.786 Fib retracement support level. SOL is currently trading at a 66% decrease from its all-time high. Solana's price is on the verge of completing one of the most significant percentage decreases since its all-time high in November 2021. A descending triangle pattern may be seen in the price activity of Solana, SOL. The altcoin reversed course from the falling trendline, $105, on March 2, plunging to the $80 neckline. For more over a month, the purchasers have firmly guarded this support, preventing the sellers from extending any further losses. With an evening's, Finbold reported that miners and long-term holders were amassing their holdings. The massive BTC accumulation by the major Bitcoin miners and whales had caused a supply shock in the crypto market and fueled the short-term rise in trading. All in all, it appears that the role of miners in the crypto world is gradually reducing as they go through the most turbulent period for mining operations ever. These turbulences have included China's mining crackdown, a shortage of semiconductor chips on the global level, growing competition, and climate change issues, just to name a few, forcing miners to sell their supply, just to ensure the stability of their operation. Crypto miners in Malaysia don't lack enthusiasm. Despite BTC holdings by miners thinning, the spirit of Bitcoin miners in Malaysia doesn't seem to waver. In fact, the country is currently facing a growing problem of electricity theft for Bitcoin mining. As Finbold earlier reported, the country's utility company was forced to find new means to tackle this problem, as it recorded 7,209 cases of illegal electricity connections in 2021, up from 610 in 2018. Between 2018 and 2021, $550 million worth of electricity was stolen, and 18 individuals were arrested. At press time, the price of Bitcoin stood at $39,290, recording a couple of spikes during March 11, when it surpassed the $40,000 mark. Solana close to $100 earlier today. Solana hit a daily high of $96. The asset was one of the top gainers of the day at the time, with gains of up to 6.4%. The announcement of a world tour by the group behind the asset's creation has boosted the asset's price recently. Solana's price, more than most large cryptocurrencies, is dismal and sad, as it is quite close to a key price level, yet unable to attain it easily. Before Solana may enter a clear and established bull market, a substantial cluster of resistance must be broken. Continued resistance above $100 at $110, bottom of the Ichimoku cloud, Senkou span A, the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement at $112, and a 100% Fibonacci expansion at $116, are adding to the bull's displeasure. This indicates that even if buyers can get Solana to close at $100, upside potential may be limited, or perhaps reversed as a result of another set of substantial resistance levels. Privacy coins Monero, XMR, Zcash, ZEC, and Secret, SCRT, are up 19%, 18%, and 15%, featuring in the top 5 coins in terms of gains, respectively. Traders are still awaiting the final executive order, but the quick Treasury statement, which appeared supportive of cryptocurrencies, was enough to boost sentiment in the crypto market. The leaked Treasury statement has been welcomed by the crypto market as it seems to focus on the development of the industry, rather than on imposing unrealistic regulations, said Yaya Hasegawa, market analyst at Japanese cryptocurrency exchange Bitbank. U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen applauds the crypto executive order, calling it historic, and the one that strikes the balance between responsible innovation and addressing consumer protection needs. As per details, Yellen says, President Biden's historic executive order calls for a coordinated and comprehensive approach to digital asset policy. This approach will support responsible innovation that could result in substantial benefits for the nation, consumers, and businesses. While the crypto market shoots higher, on the other side, the Asian equity market opened mixed considering the ongoing Russian-Ukraine crisis, with benchmark indices and futures suggesting a positive outlook amid uncertainty. Indian and European markets rose after reports of Russian humanitarian corridors opening surfaced by media outlets. If you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. Sol rate prediction 2022. Sol will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Sol price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for Sol will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. Sol price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Sol will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. Sol rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Sol is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Sol will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026 depending on the market.